This meeting is being recorded.
So ideally, a pullback to the 24 area. This area right here will be ideal. Now, going to that specific area, we have to deal with this previous area of contention, heavy contention area from yesterday before the before the market closed, and then market opening did a nice move to the 1810. Now, trading at the basically the 15 or maybe 16. What are the options going to the 24? They're limited, in total honesty. The only reason, the only way that you may consider something there will be if candles are breaking above this high, giving you that continuation to the upside to retest that second structure. The main areas to look for a possible fake out will be this area right here, like a bullish candle closing outside this area and then closing bearish again. The moment price is leaving this specific area and candles do not respecting this area, we have a beautiful continuation to retest these previous areas of rejection currently in the market. What will be ideal here, it's having a push to this area, give you a small little tiny fake out there, and then the next candle closing like a bearish one. Then you can use this candle right here with New York open. Basically, if that happened with New York open, that will be really nice. Why? Because risking maybe 20 pips to be safe inside this structure right here. Mind the crazy number there, but that, you know, maybe risking 20 pips in that specific area, at least to retest this area, which is worth it. We're talking a 1 to 2 at that point, you know, coming from a fake out below the 20 going to the 16, we're talking like 40 pips roughly to this specific area. And if for any reason gold during NYSE come back to this area, man, remember the daily low currently is this one right here. So that can give you an option to close below the 15, below this structure, which is the 16 area, and a possible continuation to retest the 1810. Can be dangerous trying something like this too early in the session, because anything can happen. You don't need to marry the idea, oh, it's gonna be an easy job going toward this area right here when it's a Friday. And on Fridays, we know that sometimes it's really tough to take trades on Friday and expect a steady move without NYSE. When NYSE is in his way, then yeah, NYSE can give you the option for that continuation. Currently, the main things to watch for is impulsive. If we see a break below this area, if we see a break below that area, this one right here, basically below this area, the only rejection you may have is 12 pips below that previous rejection right here. If continuation makes sense, price will break this low, and steady but surely it will give you that continuation to the 10 overall to retest the daily low. If we get lucky having an entry somewhere here later on, maybe having a stop loss on top of the breakout candle, if that candle doesn't give you more than, let's say, more than 30 pips, is worth it. Now, taking that specific position, maybe risking 15 pips above this and this 16 area, then you have an option for something like this. With volume, with momentum, every 5-minute candle that may close below that area will give you plenty of options, like price moving really nice and easy, something like this, for example. As long as the candle doesn't leave a long wick, we're Gucci. If the candle is leaving a long wick, then it's not worth it, because it's more like a rejection. The same thing that happened with this specific candle right here. See that heavy wick right there is way different than the wick that this candle have. When there's continuation in the market, when there's you know, a plain and simple wick fills, you will notice that the volume is really important. The body of the candle is really important. The body of the candle needs to be more than the 50% of the rejection. Now, look what happened here. Give me 1 second here. So sales makes a lot of sense. You know, buys, not really. If you want to give it a try for buys, I will say only wait for something closing here and pray that this thing can go to the second structure. But I say no. Now look at the body of the candle right there. See how the body is way too, the rejection is way too much compared to this body. So that's why the wick fill didn't make sense yesterday with this specific candle for that continuation. and it's looking like it's going to drop a little bit more. And here's still early in the session. I'll wait a little bit more, even though that will means that I'll miss that move. But as you know, for me, it's not worth it to take it at this time. But that trade right there can play at least to retest this area. But
Owen, quick
man.
question.
Yeah, man.
Don't you feel like looking at it from another perspective? I feel like all these retail traders, they're gonna look at it and everybody's gonna be, yeah, sells. I wouldn't be surprised if we break this previous 1 hour low and then reject 1815. When we break the previous 1 hour low, a lot of people are gonna be entering sales, especially retail traders. Reject 1815, then pull back up to 1820 or 1824, then possibly during NYSE break the lows again.
Yeah, but the thing here is that you know, you'd be surprised. Retail traders at this point, they're not looking for sells; they're looking for buys because they think this is prime price for gold, and gold can easily go back to the 1800s. Look, the main picture here. Let's pull the 4 hours here. The main picture. Where are we heading? And this is something that I started talking when this monthly was rejecting heavily. Just pay attention what price may do below those previous rejections, so you can take an impulsive. Don't risk more than 20 pips, I will say. When this monthly was rejecting that previous area of contention, I knew that that area right there will give me you know, maybe at least retest to the 30s. Somewhere here to previous areas of rejection. Other than that, this is the main picture. And you'll be surprised how many retail traders are buying in this area because they think, no, this has to go up. Long term, it's quite dangerous. I was thinking of a possible 50 as well as a strong rejection when I had a daily candle closing bullish. But man, that daily candle was basically just plain and simple pullback in a breather in the market, like this candle right here, the one that it was on top of on the 50. Is this one? Yeah, this is the one that rejected the 50 was this one right here. This was the 50, and this candle right here. When I saw that candle, it's, oh my God, you know, we may see an upside. You know, it makes a lot of sense going to the 1900s. But I was like, meh. You know, we still have to retest that 1850 before the continuation. And when this candle retested the 50, just started to, you know, bleed below that 50. So I know that it may be, you know, just a plain and simple continuation in the market for the rest of the session, for the rest of the weekly candle. And daily candles leaving this 1810 makes a lot of sense. Leaving that 1810 is going the 1800s roughly there somewhere here. So, you know, leaving that 10 only means that we're going to the 1800 flat. But still pretty early in the session. This candle right here just give you the confirmation that resistance has been established again. Now taking a trade, if the pullback hasn't been completed, then doesn't make sense. That's 11 pips. In a stop loss, you know, you have to consider if you want to give it a try. This is, you know, the first the last 15-minute candle before the hourly candle close. So pay attention how this 15-minute candle is respecting the previous low. Already did the retest to the previous one, managed to break above. This just means range. This just means trouble. This one right here, this candle right here, until price is not leaving this specific low, you don't have 20 pips to the downside. The low of the day is this rejection right here, but at least I'll say the next overall target will be this one right here. So, you know, but you decide if you have to, you know, if you have to wait for a pullback to this candle specifically. This is, you know, it's dangerous. You don't need to take any trade right now. We can easily wait for more confirmations, whatever. But this based on the risk reward, this trade right here, 12 pips to get kind of 20, you know, it makes a lot of sense. And leaving that the previous reaction on the 15, it's even easier. Like an impulsive entry will be basically below this area, below this area. I will wait a little bit more and see if price can give me a break below that area. Then most likely I'll be risking, you know, depending the volume. But if it's happening with new, maybe the last 30 minutes of the 4-hour candle, then can be a good one. I'm not planning to take buys. so you know, my week is done already. I don't need to take more trades. I will do this just for fun, just because I don't want to go on a Friday without risking anything. You know, I really love price action, and the price action is telling me that we're heading downtown.
I think the volume will give it that push, Kerwin, in about 5 minutes. It comes in around 5 to 1, don't it?
Yeah.
No, this makes sense, but the only thing is it's a bit early. That's why I would have.
Yeah, it's a bit early.
Yeah.
It's a bit early.
Hey, Kerwin, I have a question.
Yeah, man.
So basically, you know how we do like the 50, like let's say you're doing sells. You look for the 50% retrace of the previous candle, and then and then if it rejects, then you know, okay, we're continuing down. Same thing applies for longs, right?
Yes.
So look at like the 1 hour time frame. You see that long wick that you're saying it's rejecting from the bottom. So right now we're kind of testing the 50% of that wick. So if someone is trying to do like buys, it would be here that you want to buy. So what I'm thinking is that you know,
here?
some people are gonna, where it is right now, yeah, around 1816 is where people will try to buy, because they will assume that this wick on the left was a rejection. We're retesting the 50% to move up again. So a lot of people will buy, let's say now, and then they push it all the way to 1824, and that's when you have a prime entry for sells.
Yeah, the problem that I have here is that the wick fill already happened, so I'm not expecting this is becoming a rejection. Here's a trick. Here's a trick. If the rejection was worth it, then you will find maybe contention areas in this specific area. Now, this hourly candle managed to break below these little tiny rejections here in the lower time frames. When there's like, for example, that hourly candle, right? What are the chances on that hourly candle pulling liquidity? 1 second here, up to this area, basically. Like that candle. Instead of closing like that, you know, that candle pulling liquidity, something like this in the last minute. It's quite dangerous to believe that will happen. You know, from where the price is right now, to make it worth it, looking for 30 pips, you know, can be worth it. But other than that, that hourly candle, what it may need to do is something like this. That's basically the candle that you want to see in the last 15 minutes, last 15 minutes of that hourly candle. That's the hourly candle you want to see. Why? Because at a point, and why we'll do something like this. No, you know, with basically with little to no pullback. But obviously, to have that specific idea, to have this specific move, you need price leaving that previous 15-minute candle low, which is the current low for the hourly candle. But at this point, I won't consider buys, because this specific candle on the hourly, every time frame is telling you, you know, it's telling you look for sell, sell, sells. And I don't think, you know, I'm not expecting a crazy rejection based on hourly candles, based on 15 minutes. I may be wrong, because at some point, you know, big boys may drive price all the way up again to grab entries for the continuation. But the way that I see it is, if we go up, then means that it's rejecting that previous liquidity, and this liquidity will be valid. That's why I'm thinking that buys can, you know, they can be risky. I'm not gonna lie, they can be risky buys, but at the same time, if this is your liquidity, it makes a lot of sense to go back and retest this specific area, you know, the 30 overall. But at this point, all I see is that hourly candle that may break the previous hourly candle low and giving me that continuation to retest the daily low, because I mean, at this point, I don't have that information that is telling me, yeah, look for buys. You know, buys will make sense if price is closing above this area and giving me a healthy candle closing and rejecting. If it's giving me a healthy candle closing above that specific area, for example, may or even something like this, like candle going, all of a sudden that candle closing with a long rejection, then I know this is my bread and butter for the morning. NYSE going back to this area right here and rejecting because of this baby right here is rejecting. But if instead of that, all I'm having is candles driving price to this area right here, I know the only contention area that I have is the 15.
Yeah, I wasn't looking for buys. All I was saying is just like right now at 752, sells might not be like the option to take because look, I don't know. We'll see how this 15-minute closes, but
yeah,
I might be wrong too. You know.
No, it's okay. It's okay. We all may be wrong. No, don't worry.
Yeah.
Did you
We'll
took
see.
it? Did you
As
took
they
it?
say, that's what creates a market.
Did you took it?
No, I didn't. I'm watching. I'm waiting.
Okay, cool. Don't worry. If something will happen, will be in the last 1 minute of this candle. But at this point, this is the only area. If you guys took that trade, have your stop loss pretty tight in here. You don't want to risk it more than this area right here, basically. You don't want to risk more than 10 pips in there.
That New York volume will give it the push.
Yeah. The push or the drop?
The drop.
Oh,
So
okay.
This 5 minute close is if this 5 minute closes below them other 5 minutes, then you might get a little wick up. Most probably it'll just push straight down.
Yeah. But at this point, it made a lot of sense to break that low right there. Yeah.
So if we retest at 1816.3, which is the low that we just broke, I might enter. If not, if it gives a straight dive, I'm not entering.
Okay. No, that's good as well. It's Friday. We don't like I said, we don't need to risk it, man. We can wait until Monday. This is, this is just because we want to be cowboy today and we want to get, like that 30 pips really easy today. But other than that, no, it can be dangerous. I'm not gonna lie. But I had a really good week, so that's why I'm giving it a try. Yeah, there you go, baby girl. That 14 is basically the area that we need to pay attention here. The 14 area right there. At this point, yeah, that makes it really nice and easy. 20 pips, keep going, baby girl. I know you can do it. Let's go. Now, if you didn't enter, don't try to catch that knife now because you can get burnt. There you go, baby girl. Very nice. That makes it a 30 pip trade. Beautiful, secure some. Just in case, don't be greedy. This is the last 5 minutes of the hourly candle. The hourly candle is doing what I was expecting to do. Now in the last 5 minutes, we may have a pullback before the continuation or before the rejection. So secure some just in case, right? Yeah. Let the rest run. Have your stop loss at break even and enjoy the ride. Welcome to New Year session.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, that's basically my entry. My stop loss is right there as well. Yeah, but I secure 75 on that trade. I don't care what happened now. Yeah, easy work for a Friday. Congratulations, whoever took that trade. It was an easy one. Secure most of your position. You can enjoy the ride if you secure most of your position. If you let the entire position running, then kind of ruin your day. You don't want to do that. All you want to see is a steady continuation. Yeah. Yeah, easy work. Monthly level 14.9. Yeah, 15 is a beautiful key level. I remember the 1815 being acting weird from like I will say like 4 or 5 months ago. So I know, and as well I know the 1810 is stronger than the 15. So if the 15 is not being respected, it will be really easy to come back to that 10 right there. And as well, we may see a bloodbath. You'd be surprised if gold is trading below that the 1800 basically, near to the 1790. Maybe a hard, big call, something that you don't wanna be aiming for currently, because we need some sort of moves to the upside, in my opinion, before the next batch of orders. But going from basically from this specific area, from the 1800s. The main area as a possible target will be the previous rejection. I think it's this one to the left hand side. Yeah, this area right here. This is the zone that I have as a possible target. So it's roughly the 1800s. So below the 1800s is the next one, somewhere here, the 90 area. But that was an easy trade. Was an easy one. that was basically the hourly candle close that I wanted. I got it, and that's pretty much it. Nothing crazy, nothing out of this world. And going back to Fadi, why I didn't wanna see a crazy move on the hourly, because if all this area right here is a valid liquidity, we need price just ranging, going back, retesting, and start ranging, giving you a fake move to the downside, and then the candle closing above a certain level or above a previous structure. But the way that hourly candle was looking Gucci to go for another 20 pips at least.
No, right now we clearly closed like under the 50% of that wick. So it's, for me, it's not a liquidity grab anymore. It's we're kind of canceling that wick on the left.
This one?
Cutting through it. Yeah. We're cutting through it.
Hey, good morning.
Morning, brother. Okay, okay. Fake out, beautiful. Oh, this is Donnie, right? Oh yeah. Retest previous support, beautiful, man. Oh, breaking support entry, beautiful. Beautiful. Donnie, feel free to unmute, man. Let's talk about this trade. Really nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Just secured some.
Yeah, well planned.
It was a little early in the session, but the volume was there.
Yeah, the volume is there. Yeah, when there's volume in the market and you have a structure, you have confirmations, why not? Yeah.
I'm just gonna hold till 1810, call it a week.
Let's go.
That's it.
That's the plan. That's the plan for the trade that I have. I may have an easy job and a steady continuation with the New York opening. The way the hourly candle is closing really nice.
Yeah, exactly. So
yeah.
No way it's not gonna hit 1810, right?
It was worth it. Yeah. Did we took any losses this week? I don't think so. Yeah, I think I got stopped out on a buy limit at the 30. At the 30? No. Buy limit was the last.
No, at the 50, but I remember that as well, bro. You had a buy limit.
It was a last week, right?
No, this week, bro.
Oh,
I think that was this week. Yeah.
Okay.
It was, I think, yeah. When we had that drop, you had it probably at the 50 area, 50, 55.
Yeah, I think
Somewhere
it was a
there.
50. Yeah, I think it was a 50 somewhere.
Stop padding your stats, coach. No, you can't pad your stats. You take losses too.
I do. Yeah, I do. That was like a 25 pip loss with no remorse, because that thing just took my stop loss. I was sleeping at the time. Yeah, but I don't remember if it was on Monday or maybe last week on Friday. I don't remember exactly. I'll check that out.
The good thing is there's so few that you have to think hard about them.
Yeah, that's the thing. No,
yeah, I also had it.
Go ahead.
Go on, bro.
No, yesterday I had a beautiful morning. I mean, I had an amazing session yesterday for New York. Beautiful session. Sells. And the trade that I had was let me pull up that information. I think it was the 30 something, 37 to the 25. No, a little bit more than that. There's the New York session, by the way. Give me 1 second here. Instead of talking random shit, let me put my cowboy pants in here. Max pullbacks. I will say that the 10 pips above the 10 pips above the key level, no more than that. Yeah, that's why my stop loss is basically a break even now. I don't care what happened with New York.
Here we have a question.
Yeah, man. $5.
Which one do you prefer for impulse entry? Break up this one?
That one.
Or this one?
No, that one. The two bodies rejecting one by one. One side to this one side by side. This is my my impulsive, because this information here. 1 second here. Don't look for reversals. If somebody's trying to catch that knife with bare hands, don't do it. Wait for confirmations. Don't buy just thinking that this is. Yeah, don't think just because this is a very low and you see price breaking this high, you still have this specific area right here as a possible contention. So instead of that, look for the continuation. So what happened here is when you have this specific candle, all you need is the next candle breaking straight. Now that candle right there is reversing for the simple reason that we don't have volume. Most likely it's a, oh my God.
You were drinking heavy last night, bro.
Yeah.
No.
His voice.
No, excuse me. Yeah, I mean, oh my goodness. So this candle right here, in most cases, when this candle happen is because it's a brand new 30-minute candle. And a 30-minute candle tends to do that. But other than that, no, the 30-minute candle open here. But this is just, you know, plain and simple rejection, lack of volume at that point. But this one right here, when price is going below this area, the next candle that you're expecting to do the work is the breakout candle. But the breakout candle will be at the break of this specific candle. If you wait, sometimes the rejections are somewhere here. If you wait for price give you a breakout below the rejection, maybe here. So you have to try impulsive at the break of that specific candle right there. And the continuation most likely will happen. Wow, excuse me. Let me go get some tequila or water or something, but I need to drink.
Oh, get tequila. Tequila is better than water.
Go for the tequila.
Morning.
Morning, bro.
How are you guys?
Great, bro. How are you, man?
Fine. I just arrived a little bit late, and I already just in time to catch the move.
Did you catch it?
Yeah.
Amazing.
I arrived a little bit late, and I just arrived on time to catch the move.
Kadir,
Nice, bro.
Yeah.
Kadir, are you waiting for NYSC cake or what?
What?
Are you waiting for NYSC cake?
Yeah, as always, bro. But before that, I'm waiting for NY cake, bro. 820 cake, you know?
Okay, 820.
820, 830 cake. That's my favorite cake.
So 1816, basically, you would take some cells, which is the previous support that we just broke. Is that what you're looking at? A retrace to 1816, then a drop?
Yeah, overall, I'm looking for a pullback. Of course, I'm not gonna sell the bottom, yeah.
No, for sure.
Not gonna do that because, yeah, it's not even worth it for me from a risk reward. I don't want to see 1810 get tapped before a pullback, because if we get that, we're gonna go lower. So, but if I miss it, I miss it, you know.
If you get
I don't
1810,
care.
I'd say go to 1805.
Yeah, because if we tap now 1810, that's gonna be the wick fill on the 4 hour, and if we go there, it's gonna go much lower, bro.
Yeah.
1805.
Not gonna top at the, not gonna stop even at the 1805, maybe straight down to the 1800. I mean, overall, my monthly target was 1790. But yeah, let's see if I hope we don't get it today, in total honesty, because then the next week will be a little bit choppy, I guess. That's gonna be a breather week, a range week maybe, because this weekly is a monster, bro.
Welcome, welcome to the family, Ashi. Hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Welcome. First day in here. Amazing, beautiful. Welcome to the family. Oh, for the new members, whoever joined this morning or last night, on the general chat, check. There's a folder, because I'm moving everything to the Vimeo. Actually, almost everything is in the Vimeo folder already. So there is a folder called Vimeo links. This one right here. This link will take you to the world webinars. That one right there. And this link right here, as it says, daily live daily sessions. This is the live sessions. There in these sessions, man, you'll find a lot of information on a daily basis. Those videos are really nice.
Will this cancel the Google Drive, Kerwin?
Yeah, I'm planning to move that. Yeah, I'm trying to get rid of the Google Drive, and Google Drive is taking ages to process those videos. It's a shame, you know, because I post the videos and they take days and days.
Yeah.
Some people from Australia, they we have let's say you have a recording today, they're not gonna be able to see that recording until in 3 days from now. So it's a shame. Vimeo, man, you upload the video and it's there immediately.
Yeah,
I'm still working on that platform because I want to do this like a private group, so nobody can share those videos, whatever, But that's something
I told you about Vimeo months ago.
yeah, and I started. The thing is that Vimeo is way too expensive compared to Google Drive, so that's why. It's okay. Because the storage on Vimeo, to have a decent storage on Vimeo, you have to pay like 600 bucks. Yeah, go ahead.
Soon you'll have to give me some, not to me, but some kind of discount link to me, because the amount of people text me on a daily basis is crazy.
Yeah, like an affiliate link that if you do referral, I'll give you an extra. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
I feel you, Jim, bro. I feel him.
Yeah.
Kerwin, you have to start charging $10 a question, bro, and then you can afford the Vimeo.
That's true. That's true. No, that's true. Vimeo is pretty expensive.
Maybe with the number of subscribers, you might have to start 1 hour earlier.
Yeah.
The amount of question that is going to pound in.
Yeah, to have an extra hour for questions. No, but I mean, most of the questions that I answer on a daily basis, those questions basically they're already answered on those videos on the daily live sessions. There's plenty of information there. Fraser as well. Welcome, Fraser. Yeah, message Fraser this morning. Wow, really nice.
So we'll see today 1806, 1805 level if we keep going this way.
I don't know. Tell me.
Kerwin, are you still holding from yesterday something, bro, or nothing?
No, man. My TP actually, I was checking the entry that I had was. Remember, I told you when you sent me a message, I told you, oh, you should have told me earlier because price it was 1847.04 was my entry, and the TP that I had was 1825 basically. 1825 flat. So yeah, it hit the TP, man, but it was already moving below the 20. I think it was like 1818 when I saw that chart that you told me, oh man, is moving nice and whatever. It broke to the downside, but yeah, it was,
yeah. Yeah, I closed full yesterday because I was out.
Yeah, it's really hard to see it, but yeah, the TP was the 1825.
It's good, bro, good. But 1825 was already a sniper TP, bro.
1847.04 to 1825. It was nice. But remember, I think I secured 75% on that trade as well. So it was running only like 25% on the original position. But
it's good, bro.
It was good. It was good. You cannot be greedy, man. Even though those moves happen, on average, basically on a monthly basis, but you don't need to be greedy. You know that securing the bag is always great. But yeah,
it was a 1 minute candle, bro. I checked that $10 drop. That was just a 1 minute candle. Sometimes those random moves in Asian happen.
Yeah.
But it was beautiful yesterday, bro. Yesterday was really like it was pretty funny, bro. I just came home 30 minutes, took my trade, called it a day, and got out again. That's trading, bro.
Yeah, man.
It's freedom. There's your full, bro, on the 5.
Yeah.
Here's your pullback.
Hey, Kadir.
Yes, brother.
Look on the 4 hour, 1806, 1805 to your left.
1806.
Yeah.
Yeah. I marked that too. 1803. I have another one. No, 18.
We could get a reaction up there for buys then. But it might be not today. Today is Friday, so.
Yeah.
Today I have a feeling it's gonna be that one of those bloodbath Fridays.
Yeah. I think so too.
I remember those Fridays, bro, when I just try to buy and buy again. It's gonna be one of those Fridays.
13.
So max pullback here, Kerwin, is 1816, no?
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes, and if this candle is breaking the 50%, is making kind of a fake out. The only problem here is that 3 minutes for the 15. How that 15-minute candle will be looking? If it will be the support that you need, or it will be a fake out. And the next candle will try to retest this specific high, and failing to break that high makes it kind of a good trade. You know, even though the 15-minute candle may be closing bullish, but at this point, this is the reversal, and this is the max. The max pullback is this one right here. Currently, you don't want to see now going price above this area. All you want to see is plain and simple continuation to the downside. Yeah. Yeah, right there. So it didn't make it to the 16. Is, you know, and you know, at this point, I'm thinking that this is the high. Yeah, it is what it is. Baby girl.
Sometimes Friday also can give a good 300, 400 pips. Friday candle can happen. Like we have a target of 1780. Why not?
Yeah, exactly, man. Let's see if this 1 minute. I mean, the lower time frames, they're always dangerous because you have to apply a lot of information from 15, 5 minutes, 1 minute, you know. But I know. I mean, if this candle managed to respect the high, this is the high for the 15, and I won't be surprised if the new 15 is just reversing completely. Let's see what happened at the support of this candle right here. This is currently behaving at the 50% on that breakout candle right there. Yeah. But you have to be really careful trading like this. You know, trading on the 1 minute, man, is quite dangerous.
You don't have to stress yourself like that.
No, you don't need that stress.
No.
No.
I think the new 15-minute might just pop up just a bit more. And you
Yeah,
can
it's
get
looking like this is your support now. If this candle break that high, it's going. There's the 16. Let's go a little bit more.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it could go,
16.
it could go to 17 even.
And that's the 16.
That should be it.
That's the 16. That should be it.
Yeah, that's your perfect fake out area right here now.
Yeah.
If not,
here.
we're gonna retest the highs.
Yes. Okay.
5 minutes to go.
Okay.
Can we go to 23?
Oh,
that would be amazing if you can go to the 20 to the 22 at least. But no. Yeah, let it show. Let it chill a little bit. Now this the 4-hour candle right here, it's pulling back heavily. What are the options for this 4-hour candle to give you a close above that area, or do you think it's just plain and simple pullback? This one right here.
I think you know why it's tricky. We're going to the 4-hour, Kevin. If we broke 18, where's this wick at? 1811. If we at least broke that wick before this closes, I think we would have a cheesy move down. But now it's a bit because it's a Friday as well.
Yeah.
So that current 5, Kerwin, we made a top wick. We're trying to close under 1815. The next 5 pulls back up, then we take it down.
Yes, sir. That will be the next play, like that pullback, and then the next candle doing something like this. This candle has potential to go something like this, but if the candle stay there, that will be ideal, because the next one trying to do a plain and simple pullback, something like this. The next one max pullback there, and it's gone.
Yeah, that just 1 minute, that 5 minute closing bullish like that, it doesn't change anything for me.
No, hell no.
Nothing. I don't fight that weekly, bro. If you look at that weekly, bro, it's looking like a monster.
It's massive.
I think it's gonna push a bit more up though, to be honest. But I'm not sure. Let's see. I would have wanted to break above, much above. Like it went all the way to 1864. Like I give it to 1816.3 because I really watched the key levels, and when I see it break certain numbers, it's just a bit.
Spread is also high. Something is cooking.
23.
It's going up and down. Spread.
Yeah. This is the 50%. If that candle break that 50%, is gone. Now that'll make it like 12 pips in a stop loss somewhere there. Ay. Te fuiste, Marcelino. You're gonzo.
I can't enter.
You're gonzo, baby girl. Yeah. Well. Spread. I love you, spread. I was. Oh man, this.
Oh, this is perfect, bro. If this 5 minute closes like this now, next one, retest, wake up, and then break the lows. It's no brainer, bro.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm not gonna rush the trade on a Friday. Let's see.
That's the thing. We had the most easiest trade ever in this area right here, and this is playing with fire. But the pullback made complete sense, and this kind of make complete sense closing bearish, and then the next one retesting a little bit more. If that candle managed to close below the 15, man, that can be a good one. A good confirmation though, if the body of the candle, because then max pullback will be 10 pips to the 16, no more than that. But that's way too much, man. Just call it a day. Enjoy the session, and Monday or maybe NYSE will have more trades.
Can you imagine this flipping bullish now? Last 30 seconds.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
What did he say? What did he say?
That kind of flipping bullish in the last 30 seconds.
No,
don't say
man,
that.
I've seen the craziest of gold. Like the last 5 seconds. Oh.
Ban this from YouTube channel.
Bro, that 1 minute faking you out, that looks beautiful.
Yeah.
That looks beautiful, bro.
Yeah.
I really like that one.
Doesn't blow 18-15.
Let's fucking go.
Yeah, I think that looks good, guys.
Yeah.
I love that, bro.
Secure. I mean, secure. No, I mean, if you didn't took that trade, don't do it. But
It didn't. Oh yeah, there you go, baby girl.
Oh my God, brother.
This is almost better than porn.
What the fuck?
Oh boy, look at that thing. If that thing starts smelling outside that previous reaction, it's gonna take a dive. No, 30 pips to the 10 in no time. 30 to no.
This is gonna melt.
Oh my days, brother.
Yeah.
Gold, come on, baby girl, just bleed. I don't know, not bleed.
1802 incoming.
Just drop, baby girl. I can't tell her to bleed because she's gonna get mad at me. Just go for it.
It's gonna reject first and scare everyone, and then we're gonna take a dive.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
Travis have a dog.
I guess somebody just woke up.
Oh.
Yeah. Be back, guys.
It should be good. It should be good.
Should be good.
I think I'm getting on the break of the slow.
3 more minutes. In the next 1 minute, you want to see this thing driving bananas toward this area right here. 1 minute. No more.
It's gonna be a quick one, bro.
If it's not doing that in 1 minute, then call it a day.
It's looking good.
Yeah. All right, baby girl. I know you can do it, baby girl. Do you really want to make happy Papi today? Let's go. Huh? You want to make me happy today?
Yeah. Bro, my entry was so sharp this time.
The last 2 seconds they gave me that continuation.
Where'd you enter, Kadir? The 1 minute?
Yeah, does Kerwin? No, he's on the 5, right?
No,
Yeah.
you entered at 18, 18,
Yeah,
16?
my entry is exactly at 15.7, bro, at that
Pay-
1 minute break.
Pay attention what will happen with that 1 minute right there.
Very good.
That high
5 minutes.
and this low right there. It's okay to have a pullback up to this area, I will say, no more than that. If you wanna be really picky with that trade. The continuation makes sense to the downside, a lot of downside, but you don't wanna be risking way too much in this area because we have previous rejection from yesterday. So if you have to be really picky, go to the 1 minute and plan based on the 1 minute. This area right here is the main idea, the main contention on the 1 minute. Yeah, if that candle doesn't give you that drop now, just close your position, because at that point that 5 minute candle, the next 5 minute candle can break this high and go all the way up to this area right here. All you're gonna see with this one, with this 5 minute, is the body of the candle leaving this specific area and having a nosedive all the way down in no time. But no, it's not giving that continuation. Yeah. It's looking more like a rejection at this point. That 5 minutes looking like a rejection candle. Max.
It's like, I feel like, early in the session we were saying we want to pull back like 1817, 1816.8, something like that. We didn't really get it. We got 1816.2. So maybe what's happening now is that pullback that we were anticipating earlier in the session.
Yeah. Look how that 5 minute candle will close. If that 5 minute candle is giving you that close, the next one based on volume, pay attention what this 5 minute candle having on top of this area. Then the moment this 5 minute candle close, let's say like this, if it's closing like that, the next one will take over. May have a massive pullback as well, a little tiny pullback right there. This is a new 30 minute candle, which is the one that is coming in play. So that's why we want to see this candle just drive price all the way down. We know.
Till last minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the last magic.
Yeah.
I think the next 5 is going to be.
Now, price move from the 13 to the 10. Secure most of your position because the 10 can give you the same rejection that gave you yesterday. Pay attention to that as well. Yeah, we're just playing with volume now, and if the volume is correct, the candles on the 5 minute doesn't need to have a top wick. If it's having a top wick in range, yeah, that candle is closing the way I want it. Now this candle max pullback still this high over here, but this candle can be the one with no top wick right there.
I don't want to see a pullback at all, bro. It should just drive down at
Yeah, I want no pullback. Yeah.
Drop.
Let's go.
Not because I'm in the position, just because it should be like that for price action,
Yeah. Price is moving, like I said, we got lucky. Price moves 30 pips to the 10 in no time. Secure most of your position, bring the stop loss at break even. If we have this move, I'm holding my position, but I know that it can be a risky one because it's the last 5 minutes before the 30 minute candle close. But I want to see this a quick move to the downside in the last 5 minutes of the 30.
I want to see my TP get slipped, bro. That's what I want to see.
The only slippage you want to see.
Yeah, bro. Nobody complains when your TP gets slipped. You know?
And I won't be surprised if that candle for real is driving nice volume that can give me 50 pips in no time. That will be cake, because at that point breaking the 1810 can give me a target to the 1808, 1809, let's say. And that will be worth it, because that's usually what happened with a 5 minute candle breaking lows when the volume is right. 50 pips in no time. Okay,
yeah, it's
baby
looking
girl.
Here we go.
Beautiful, bro. Let's fucking go.
Let's go, baby girl. No, you can do it.
Don't look back. Let's go.
Yeah. Now my stop loss will be right here. I don't care if I got left with the spread. The spread can take me out. It's okay. It's something that I can deal with.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go. That was the one, baby.
Yes, sir. Stop loss at entry, securing 50%. Let the rest run. Enjoy the ride.
Enjoy the
ride. You secure everything.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Bro, it's just too easy, bro.
Let's go.
And it was their cake at 8:20. Who was that?
I think.
Bro, who was that?
Was that you, Kadir?
Of course, bro.
Of course. Love it. You gotta love this motherfucker. Of course. Kadir, come on, man. Let's move.
Bro,
okay, gold.
Bro, that's the one that's classic for gold, bro. It's rejects first. Everybody gets scared because they entered on the bottom, and you don't ever want to do that on gold.
No.
And then on the last minute, bro, it drops. You know, it's the same over and over again.
Yeah, this is the candle that I drew. This is the candle I wanted to see. So beautiful.
Yeah, bro.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Gold listens to Kerwin on a daily basis. That's the way it is.
We are the market makers, man.
Yeah.
we move the market, right?
Only when
Don't be surprised if you see a $5 move now, bro. It's looking like that. Volume is looking like that.
50 pips on that 5-minute candle, man.
I removed my TP now.
Where's the 50 pips on that candle?
Let's
Roughly
see.
there, right? No, a little
Bro,
bit.
I should have held it for longer.
Why?
You don't have a runner, bro?
Where did you
Yo,
go?
I checked.
Bro, I have.
Yeah, roughly there.
Bro, I had my first entry at 16 at that 1-minute break. I had in another position on this second break.
Oh, beautiful.
And secured now again, you know?
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Oh,
that's the Friday you want to see, bro.
Like I say, you'd be surprised if gold decide to go to the 1800s today. I mean,
I
if you
wouldn't be
trade with
surprised, bro.
Yeah, if you trade with institutions along with the big boys, man, you have to think like them. These guys don't drive price for 5 pips or for 10 pips. No, these motherfuckers run the market, man. You go from there. You just pay attention to the lower time frames, man. And
Just to be safe, my entry is at my TP is at 1803.
now, last 1 minute of the 30-minute candle. That 30-minute candle doesn't give you that 50 pip to this area right here. Secure most of your position because a brand new 30-minute can give you a full retest to that previous 30-minute candle. And you don't want to risk all those profits right there. Nah, you know. Just, you know,
The last 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay.
Be mindful there.
Hey guys, I want to wish you a great weekend. I gotta go. It's been amazing. Thank you, Kerwin, Kadir.
Take care, bro.
all
Take
you
care,
guys,
Michael.
man. Have a
Enjoy,
nice
my
weekend.
brother. How's
Thank you,
the
guys.
weather? How's the weather?
You wouldn't believe it. It's a heat wave in Montreal, Canada. 33 degrees Celsius.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, same here in Toronto. 30 degrees.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
crazy.
it's been nice.
Okay, man. Well,
All
take
right,
care,
guys.
Michael.
Have a great weekend. Thank
Enjoy,
you.
man.
Take care, bro. Take care.
Ciao.
Take care, man. Take care.
Yeah, my runner's got stopped out.
I
same here.
got
Mine.
stopped out.
Yeah.
No,
That
Good
was the
morning.
easiest $5 move, bro.
Easy one, easy one.
That
Hey,
was
good
an
mo-
easy,
good
easy
morning,
one.
Kevin.
Good morning, Mini. What's
How
up,
you
my
doing?
brother? Good,
Yeah,
brother.
good.
Another day in
Got-
paradise, you know?
Yeah, you got any move early
No, man, we haven't taken any trade today.
that break and retest of 1820, the fake out near 1820
1820.
on 5 minutes. Yeah.
This one, somewhere
Yeah.
here? Oh,
No,
okay.
no. Here.
Hello.
Oh, okay. So nice work. No, I haven't taken any trade today. You
But
busy?
it's one of your cake
Bro.
setup.
Yeah. No, I know. No, Kadir took trades and everybody else, but I didn't. Where do you think I could I should consider to take my entry? Somewhere here. Where do you think?
Here.
We can't see anything, bro. Okay.
This motherfucker knows me. I took the entry that I have 1815.82.
Last 2 minutes of the 5 minute.
1 minute breaking a
No, he
a
got the same
confirmation
entry
candle.
as me, bro.
50.
That 1 minute break, right?
82.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah,
took
bro.
the same entry, Kevin.
It's the
Learning
classic
from
one.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
Nice,
Where
brother.
did you guys get? I think I got the entry too.
Yeah, my entry was basically that one right there.
Yeah, mine too. My second entry was here.
Nice.
You know, on the 5 minute, this is where I entered. This was my first position, but I closed. I entered over here because this 1 minute candle, I saw it flipping bearish and then it closed bullish. I was like, right, cool. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes of the 5, I was like, we're gonna get something. Then this closed bullish, this closed bullish. I was like, damn. So I started closing out, but then I got in again. over here.
Kerwin, current
man.
30.
Good, bro. Good. Nice. Nice.
Good
Thanks.
question, Kerwin.
Would you enter on the current 30?
Me?
For
Yeah,
like the
okay.
stop loss
Oh,
would be
sorry.
the
Go
top
ahead.
of the wick. 14 pip stop loss and TP at 1806.
On the 30.
The current 30, assuming that it would flip back, it made its stop wick already. And TP 1806. That's like 1 to 4. RR.
1806.
1806 is
Oh,
I know it.
Because I'm looking at my 4 hour on the left. 1806 is where you have like some type of rejection. So I'm anticipating that it would break the 1810 and it would just go to that 1806 where it rejected before. But obviously I'll take profits on the way there, but I just want to know if entering now wouldn't be so bad.
Bro, Fadi, you need to take a breath, bro. Chill down.
Oh shit! Give me 1 second. I'm looking at the wrong time frame. The 5 minute. The 1806. 1806. These rejections, Fadi?
Yes.
Oh wow. 1 second. For some reason, I have something at the 1810. Yeah, the 1810 is the main one. And the 1806 can be a good one though. But a 30-minute candle entering. I mean, this.
The current 30 has to stop. Like, I mean, it can't break its own high.
But the current 30, its own high is roughly right now here.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Entering.
Now I got you. Oh, okay. I see what you do.
I'm saying right now, entering at the flip, stop loss 1814 and TP is 806.
I will say if price is leaving this area again, you can give it a try. Let's measure. This is like 20 pips, right? Yeah, it's roughly 20 to be kind of safe. 20 pips, the break of this area. Because if this is becoming a faker from a really lower time frames, price needs to chill inside this range, close above, and then continuation. But if it's giving you a close below this area and later lower time frames, problem that I'm paying attention to the 1 minute is because we have too much volatility at this point. That's why. But the 1 minute doesn't give you enough confirmation. The 5 minute candle here will be the best confirmation. The candle right there. Oh yeah, that candle is rejecting that previous area. If that candle managed to close the way it is, the next one may be a pullback, and the moment price is breaking this low, it's console when the pullback is completed. The pullback, if you have to pay attention to the 1 minute, what is the max pullback? Well, the max pullback is over here. The confirmation on the 1 minute, it's help me on this, anybody? Where is the confirmation that resistance has been established?
Second one, bro.
Thank you, Kerwin, for everything for today. We are done.
No problem. Yes, sir. Take care, Khalil.
Take care.
That one has to be respected.
Yeah, that high right there needs to be respected. Yeah, max pullback now will be the 1813. Well, 1814. We can call this little micro pivot there. This one right here, counting the.
But Kerwin, 1812 is a bit strong area. I think you need some more pullbacks.
Yeah.
Oh.
Not really. I mean, depending.
If you see the historical data on every time frame, that area most of the time respected 1812.
Yeah, but as you know, based on the previous rejections, I know this is a strong area. Now look at that candle right there. It's reversing completely. So now can give you two things: fake move to the upside, and then a break below this resistance and continuation based on the 5 minutes and based on the 5 minutes right here. That specific rejection doesn't make sense anymore. This looks like it's gonna break even higher. That's why you need to be really careful there. But if price is giving you a retest to that previous 5 minute candle high and giving you then a break below, that means that this is not valid anymore. But whatever, we have to call it a day. It's already, we already did the move that we wanted.
I'm ahead of guys. Take care.
Yeah.
Dennis' discipline is on another level, bro.
Yes, I know. Congratulations, Dennis.
No losses this week, and I didn't even have too much time to trade. But...
Beautiful.
I have a question, Kerwin.
What was that, TJ?
the entry that we took on a 1 minute, I took the same entry, 1815 point, I think 66. That was my entry. But what could be the stop loss? My stop loss was above 1818. Is it something that you had, or it could be a different stop loss that can be there?
When I enter here, my stop loss was here. My stop loss was outside this area, the 1818 basically.
Yeah, that's what my stop loss. So just wanted to make sure that I'm thinking right. So
Yeah, because you don't do anything, you just chuck in that trade, having a pre-established stop loss, and then kind of just smell a little bit outside this area and reverse completely. You need to give a little bit of room for that trade to to play out.
Yeah, I used to stop out a lot that way, but now I let it, take a smaller size and let it breathe. That's what I'm doing. So that's good. Thanks, man.
Yeah,
Kerwin, what do you think stop loss here? The above the confirmation candle
as
on
well.
1 minute.
Yeah, as well. That's a good stop loss. I mean, that's the easiest way to manage. I mean, if price, you can have 20, 30 pips stop loss, no? The thing is that if price is, one second. If price is breaking this high after breaking this low, means that a continuation makes a lot of sense. So price breaking this high, immediately you need to close 50%. If price is breaking this area, close your entire position, because this area right here is the monster area that needs to act as some sort of a contention. If price is not respecting this area, you know that most likely is going to the next structure that you may have on top, and which is in this area right here. So you little by little, you're trying to avoid the risk by 10, 20 pips extra. So, but closing 50% at that specific break on the 1 minute candle, that is basically the candle that is taking a breather outside that 15, makes a lot of sense. And securing 50% as well, makes a lot of sense. Like, for example, this candle right here. Not that you need to continue looking for trades, but if price is giving you a break and close below this area, makes a lot of sense that this area now is becoming your rejection area, your resistance. Now, if you have a stop loss there, having, for example, maybe an entry here, having a stop loss there, you're making it so easy for gold to stop you out. What if instead of that, you have a stop loss here, a predetermined stop loss, and if the next candle, the one that is breaking this area right here, is breaking that high, you close 50%. At that point, you're not risking 20. If price is not respecting this rejection, then you're closing another 50% or close your entire position. And at that point, you were risking maybe 10 pips overall. And at the end of the trade, you only risked 5 out of 20 because you were managing your trade accordingly to the moves, to the session. But having a stop loss here and you see price not respecting this high and continue moving, and you stay quiet without doing anything, then you're failing. No. The moment price is not giving you the continuation you want, close partial, close 50% on that loss. Goes here, close 50%, even though that means that you close 75% and that candle reverse completely to the downside, giving you that straight move to the downside. It's okay, but you did something good, at least managing risk. Let's see if we have any more questions here. This 1 minute.
Hey, Kerwin.
Yeah, man.
Can you explain when to use the 1 minute time frame as a confirmation?
If we can use the 1 minute candles as a confirmation?
Means when we should use 1 minute or
when there's a lot of volatility in the market, and you know that the 5 minute candle doesn't give you any information, like heavy candles like this, and price moving heavily, then move to the 1 minute. Is in session, doesn't give you enough volume, move to the 15. Summertime, doesn't give you enough volume, move to the 30s. During Asian, move to the 15s during New York. The less volume, the higher the time frame. The more volume you have, you move to the. That's why sometimes I wish I can have that 30-second chart.
Okay, trading the trend, is good. 1 minute.
It's good. Yeah. The thing is, with the 1 minute, you don't want to mess with the 1 minute. The 1 minute give you exactly the same price action that the 5, 15, and 30 and hourly candles gives you. Now, look at this candle right here, for example. That push. Why, if this candle doesn't have a top wick, why this candle breaking that low and reversing completely, closing back below this area right here? We still have that bearish pressure. So makes sense to have another pullback, maybe here, taking kind of a breather here. If you were looking at the 5 minutes, this is the things that you want to look for. You know, the 5 minute, the 1 minute candle just give you the resistance, confirmation resistance, max pullback, this one right here, and the continuation is there. If price is breaking this high, it means that we'll retest this area, we'll break this area, and we'll come back all the way up to this area right here. So little by little, you have to disseminate every candle, every possible candle there. That's the push.
Dissect.
So I
Dissecting
entered.
it.
Yeah, go.
No. Go ahead, Fadi.
I was gonna say I entered at 1814, and my stop loss is the top of the current 30-minute candle.
Oh, okay. On top of
So,
the 30-minute candle.
Yeah, that's my stop loss.
Okay. Okay. Good.
So I don't. We'll see how it goes there, but
Yeah, the 5 minutes about to close. 1 more minute.
That's also the last minutes of the 15.
Mm-hmm.
And you know,
And the
that's
last,
when you can get the easiest
yeah,
rejections.
and the last 10 of the hour, the 4 hour, last 10 of the hourly. That hourly candle is looking like hell.
Yeah.
30 minutes about to create support. 5 minutes telling you we have downside still, no top wick, which makes sense.
50 as well.
Wait. Wait, my WhatsApp. iPhone.
We have many iPhones.
Let me.
When do we move to Vimeo, bro?
Vimeo.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna kill you, bro. I already posted on the chat on the general chat as well. I created a brand new channel there. You haven't checked the Slack in a while, huh? I catch you right now because you haven't checked the Slack platform in a while. I sent this yesterday. Vimeo links.
No, I saw that, but I'm talking about you said something like that you're gonna start
for the streamings.
Yeah.
Oh, I got you. Well, for the streamings, no. For the streaming is another story. It's like $1,000 to have Vimeo as a to use Vimeo for streamings.
Bro, just secure if you took that.
look at the 30, Kerwin. It's
Secure some if you took that.
Yeah. Oh my days.
But these top wicks are liquidity grabs, so I mean it should push lower.
But this is a brand new 15 now, bro.
But it's
secure some and let the rest run because we're gonna see a pullback.
That 1 minute did beautiful thing in here.
Yeah.
Respected this one. Say trading is boring at some point.
Yeah, it may die here this last 15.
Yeah, it may.
I hope we see that bloody Fridays with NYC.
Yeah.
That would be beautiful, bro.
Would you sell below 1810?
If I will sell below the 1810, yeah, why not?
Okay.
Yeah,
why not? Why not?
With the possible 50 pip target, 1805.
Because we got another week in 1 hour, if you can see.
Yeah.
All week, all you had to do was close your eyes and click sell.
Yeah.
I know, man.
Yeah. No, I had buys as well this week. Oh, did I? Yeah, I had buys.
Yeah, you guys had that NYSE move.
Yeah, I had
something.
Yeah, I had 2 buys that with NYC and before NYC. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but basically, I mean, if you look at this weekly, bro, from the higher time frame, it was a no-brainer that we're going in this area, you know.
And by mistakes,
we're breaking the lows.
I made a few. Yeah, but we are the champions of the world. Yeah.
I just don't love the way this 15 closed, kind of like no wick. But
Yeah, exactly, man. No wick to the
But it should
top,
go.
no wick to the bottom. Yeah, it should continue. I mean, at this point, the higher time frames is the one who's gonna.
It will continue. It's just a question when.
Right.
The 15
In the
will
last-
just close at 8:30. The 15
I'll say the last 15 of the 4-hour candle is the one that you want to pay attention for. Like
Here we
this one
go.
right here. Yeah,
That's it.
Yeah,
that's
sounds
good.
good.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
We're
This
gonna-
candle.
We're gonna break.
The previous range that we had was this one right here. Small, little, tiny range. Then this candle closing inside, then this one not taking that breather, at least to retest this previous area, and this one closing below makes the perfect trade right there. Oh, my back hurts. It's Friday, boys.
Hola, Kerwin.
Hola, ¿cómo estás, Manuel?
Kerwin, ¿todo bien?
Bien, brother, bien.
Una pregunta rápida, si te quedó claro lo que te conté ayer de los videos que están públicos y cualquier persona puede verlos.
Sí, eso tengo que empezar a chequearlo hoy a ver qué es lo que voy a hacer, porque en la plataforma lo tengo como que está privado, o sea, el canal lo tengo private, pero cualquiera con el link lo va a poder ver. Sí.
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 Ok.
So necesito figure out qué es lo que voy a hacer con eso. Man.
Ok.
At this point, I'm not worried, no estoy preocupado que alguien lo vaya a publicar, porque en realidad a la larga lo que quiero es ayudar a la mayor cantidad de gente posible, pero lo que no me gustaría es que alguien los agarre para venderlos a alguien más y haga dinero con algo que yo le puedo dar gratis a otra persona. No lo hago gratis ahora, no abro el Zoom gratis porque sería una locura tener un Zoom gratis o un streaming ahora, tener 1000 personas haciendo preguntas de un lado y del otro y entonces lo que no estar haciendo nada con lo que es la plataforma. Pero tenemos que ver eso. Si tú me pudieras ayudar con eso, Manuel, te lo voy a agradecer. De todas maneras, tú eres admin ahí, tú puedes hacer algo ahí. Si hay algo que podamos hacer, me dejas saber.
Sí, ahí te expliqué en el video lo que hay que hacer, entonces si lo puedes ver ahora y vemos.
Ok, listo.
Thank you.
No problem, brother. Thank you. Ay. Pan comido. Right, Mini? Pan comido. What's the other word that you know in Spanish, Mini?
Vamos.
Yala.
What do you think is happening right now, friend?
Bloodbath. Let's go down. No, yeah. I mean, in total honesty, I would love to see this 4-hour candle closing below that 1810. But
that would
the
be
lower time
beautiful.
zones are not giving me much of information here. The 5-minute candle here is heavy. But it's a Friday. And if Fridays, man, anything can happen. Crazy things happens on Fridays. Like this candle breaking this high, trading inside this range, everybody wasting his bullets now, and then maybe 10 a.m. is the one who's gonna drive price bananas to the downside. That's the other.
Usually we get late moves on Friday.
Yeah, I know.
Let's see.
Hey, Kevin, how are you, brother?
Good, my brother. How are you, man?
Yes, I'm fine. I just want to thank you. I'm actually up this week 25%.
Whew, my brother.
Thank you a lot.
No problem, man. It's a pleasure, brother. It's a pleasure. Look, another one from the dust.
Good job, guys.
Good job. Yes.
It's
sir.
easy, bro.
Yes, sir. Good job. Really nice and easy. And you'll be surprised how many retail traders, how many people who doesn't know how gold behaves, they start buying in here, and all they're doing is feeding the market for another 20 pips, for another 20
When you look next target 1803, I see
1800, to be honest, 1800 or 1790 today. It will be really crazy to believe.
Next push, one shot.
It will be really crazy to believe that we can go for another $20 on gold. But man, in current market conditions, gold can do anything that he wants. It can give you 200 pips more to the downside, as well can give you only 100 to the 1800, which is the strongest one. But the monthly candle, man, freaking hell. Look at that monthly candle.
Yeah, I really like
Bro,
1790
when you think,
personally.
yeah, when you think gold moved too much, it gives you just another one. That's gold, bro.
Yeah. You won't believe that maybe while everybody was looking for weak fills to the upside for that continuation, I've been maybe the only one thinking this is the big boys grabbing price, and now we're heading downtown to this area. Now it may take a week, it may take a month, it may take 3 months, but we're heading downtown. This rejection right here with the monthly didn't make sense at all. And you know, the moment price gave you that pullback right here, that basically the 2000 was the area that was planning. If you watch one of the first webinar I did for the KERWIN'S trading floor, I was talking about this possible pullback to the 2000 price, respecting that area and continuation. It's been an amazing. Even I went to Raja streamings, I'll say like 2 weeks ago, whatever, and we were having that specific conversation that gold, the main key level at that point was the 1900s. So we were trading 1970s, something like that. And I was like, let me see, where's YouTube here? Oh, 1 second here. And you know, for a possible continuation, at least to the 1900s. Oh, by the way, this is a nice channel when you guys have to work or something. This is nice. Drop it.
Yeah, I use that as well. Low figure.
Yeah. New Year session. This was 25th of April. This one, 14th of April. Yeah, maybe this one.
Just pay attention, bro. We can get a quick $5 now.
I'm still holding though.
Yeah, me too.
I'm still holding.
I'm just my fingers are on the magic keys.
Kabir, what is the entry point?
My entry point, I have one 1811.83. The other one 1814.03.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
So
I think selling here is a bit risky, you know, the 4 hour closing.
You won't
maybe
you won't
the
believe,
pullback.
You won't believe is the easiest one, breaking that daily low.
Yeah.
Smelling like a 1 minute $5,
Yeah,
bro.
it can be dangerous if you're over risking, but if you're not over risking, you know that you have a spare change to the 08 somewhere.
Yeah.
Basically.
Look, this 5 closing is good.
This is hell. That candle right there.
Yeah, we'll just
that 10 that's acting. Oh, give me 1 second. The 10 is on top of the candle right there.
No.
No, it closed below, bro.
Oh, it closed below the 10.
Yeah, we're safe. We're good.
Yeah.
If
last
last 2 minutes, I'll give a shot. If last 2 minutes happening, also I'll wait for the NYSE easiest one.
Yeah.
Let me
because we got the already good trade, so don't need to risk at this point. What I'm thinking, I know many. Yeah.
I close 75. I close 75, and the stop loss is as originally planned, so I don't care what happened now. But the continuation makes a lot of sense. This 4 hour candle be closing like beautiful. A new 4 hour candle. It's just a move down. Let me see where's the next key level here. The next key level is way up here, so I don't want to see that heavy pullback there. For the 4 hour candle closing. This 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes.
If it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen now in this 4 minutes.
I think so, man. I think so. Yeah.
Well.
Yeah. We're heading downtown, boys. We're heading downtown, boys.
Downtown we go.
Yeah, that makes perfect pullback to the $1 above the key level, man. Now you don't want to see this candle breaking its own high. And if it's gonna happen, will happen, you know, I will say with the next 1 minute. Making this 1 minute a bearish one, closing below this area, and the next one a heavy move to the downside. This is the area that you need to pay attention. Also,
you have to say you'll be surprised, bro. So it moves, you know.
Yeah. Now, look, max pullback this again, and heavy move to the downside, 20 pips.
Kadir, do you want me to say that gold will go up too, bro? 'Cause
Yeah,
maybe
bro,
that'll
go
help.
for it. Go for it.
That makes the...
Yeah, like fundamentals, bro, may go up.
Let me see that $5 move on this 1 minute, bro.
Imagine, Kadir, if we can break that 1808 going to the 1805 in no time.
It will, bro. It's a daily low. It's a no-brainer, bro. At least 20 pips.
But as well, if that 5-minute candle in the next 3 minutes, let's say, doesn't give you that straight break, a new 4-hour candle will try to pull liquidity from here. It's trading at the daily low here. This is the daily low. We have 20 pips below that daily low, but this, if it's not happening now, can be dangerous. Yeah.
So much can happen in 2 minutes.
Hey, man. Yes.
I'm gonna be really picky at this one. If you break that 1 minute high, I'm gonna close another 50.
Okay. Oh la la.
I love these top wicks, man. It's clear that you're going to grab liquidity to push more down. Here we go.
There you go.
Here it is.
Yeah, that's a no-brainer, bro. It is a no-brainer.
Now my stop losses are break even. Baby girl.
Let's go, baby girl.
Let's go.
Give me
Push,
some
push,
more.
push, push,
Give me
push.
some more. Give me some more.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
let's go. That's an easy one, baby.
Yes, baby girl. I knew it. I knew you can do it.
Give me that.
Girl.
No.
I knew you can do it, baby girl.
Bro, like for real, man. It's getting too easy, bro. Sultan, you got that one, bro. That was cake. You got that, bro. Yeah, that's what I want to hear, bro. Nice.
My hands are sweating. My hands are sweating.
Imagine that new 4-hour, bro. Kevin.
That's what I'm looking for. A brand new
I'm holding
4-hour
still
candle.
25.
My hands are sweating.
Let me see that, bro. If this closes below 10, it can give you that move.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let me remove some risk out of the table here.
Nothing crazy, Kevin.
I already
Like
secured
small move.
most, bro. Just 25 running at this point.
What was that, Mini?
Nothing crazy move, like,
Nothing
just
crazy.
a small. Yeah.
Nothing crazy. I knew this would happen.
Yeah.
That's why I removed some risk out of the table. I was like, ay. I don't want to deal with the last 1 minute of the 4-hour candle because this one right here, this one has the ability to pull a little bit more, and a new one, boom, to the downside.
Bro, I loaded that up like hell, man. I'm pretty fine. I don't even need to trade FN and NYC at this point.
No, me neither, man. This was beautiful trade. Beautiful. Easy money, man. Easy money. Freaking hell. How trading can be so easy.
Like, that's the thing, bro. If you don't over risk, it's getting really, really easy.
Yeah, man. It's way too easy.
But if you over risk, bro, 10 pips pullback, you're getting, you're sweating,
Yeah.
But that's just normal price behavior.
Yeah, this is the main contention. Based on how the 4-hour candle close makes a lot of sense. Just downtown, downtown.
Yeah.
I need somebody to start buying gold now. So
some retailers, bro. We need those retailers to buy gold.
So gold can go lower.
Buy some more.
I think I'm just gonna leave my runner. I'm not looking for more entries, but
no, me neither, bro. Just looking for that runner to get smacked on the TP.
Yeah, I'm gonna get off though. I don't even care to see NYSC. Thanks for a great week, Kerwin.
Take
care,
no
man.
problem, brother. It's a pleasure, Matthew. Set some alerts at 1800s just in case we get there, so you can secure most of that position, though.
Yeah, good idea. I will. Thank you, brother. Take care, guys.
All right, brother.
Take care, bro. Have fun.
1800.
Keith, so mainly entry will be on the 1 minute. No. Don't think the 1 minute is the entries. We look to the 1 minute when there's a lot of volume in the market. The main time frame we use here, 4-hour candles for confirmation, and the entries are based on the 5-minute candles. But today it's been so easy to trade based on the 1 minute that why not?
But if it's volatile like this, bro, you gotta go to the 1 minute.
Yeah. Oh, baby, I love your way every day.
Hey, Kerwin, can I make 2 questions?
2 questions?
2 questions. I got the 10 bucks here for you.
Okay,
That's a
so
$10.
usually one question is $5. Since it's 2 questions together, I'll give you an extra discount, so it's gonna be $7.50 for 2 questions.
Oh, that's great. That's great. I got 2 trades today, 2 ideas initially, and I got in the chat. Can you see it? The first one, I thought about the break of the 4-hour London lows, but I didn't enter that one. I was just looking at it. Would be valid entry, that one?
As an impulsive?
Yes.
Yes, it will be a good. One of the things that you need to pay attention, it's let me draw something here. How price behaved on the previous areas of rejections, right? So this rejection is slightly lower than this one. That means that the next extension, it will create a next rejection somewhere there. So that's basically the move that you want to catch. Usually breaking a low can give you 20 pips in no time. Depending the risk that you're putting on the table, I would say taking that impulse, it makes sense to have a pre-planned stop loss somewhere there and on top of that candle right there. And always you're aiming for the next rejection. Leaving a previous rejection, you know, not the price is not gonna give you a straight continuation sometimes, but the next target can be this one overall. Leaving this specific rejection. If it's leaving that rejection, doesn't make sense. Price just coming to stop in here. It makes sense to give you that straight continuation.
I see. I was wondering because it was way early in the morning and I was like thinking if it's going to have volume or not.
Downtown.
Just pay attention, bro.
Nice. Give me 1 second here. Give me 1 second. I just want to see this baby drive price all the way down.
Oh, yeah, baby girl.
That's it. 1790 we're going.
Yeah, give me 1 second, Luan.
Sure.
Yes, Eugene, bro.
You didn't believe an hour ago 1805, 1806.
Oh.
I said I believe, bro. That's why I'm holding this runner. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if this, like I said earlier, bro, if this Friday will be one of those bloodbath Fridays, bro.
Yeah,
I wouldn't be surprised at all. Because this is the days, bro, where retailers think, oh, gold moved so much, it has to pull back. We need a retracement. Bro, I was one of those guys myself, you know, and I just kept buying and buying every dip, you know, and they just get started.
You could maybe get a retracement, some kind of pullback now, 50, 100 pips in NYC.
Yeah, you gotta get them, bro.
Because them boys,
to entice the retailers.
Yeah, but them boys can't just jump here now. It's too late for them. The price is too low to sell. They gotta get better price. But they could drop either. It's Friday, as you said. Fridays, Freaky Fridays.
Exactly, yeah.
But it's good. It was an amazing week.
Yeah, man. It's been an amazing week for gold.
So max
it was another milestone for me, bro. Oh, nice one.
Go ahead, Fadi.
1808.5 is max pullback for this, which is around the 50%.
50% of this candle, yeah.
Yeah. And also it's the green wick below as well. It basically has 2 complements with that.
Yeah, roughly there.
Yeah, exactly. 1808. Yeah.
Now you see, just coming into NYC.
How many sales?
People will see heavy sales, then try to jump in and then the reverse.
Oh, my days.
Don't be greedy, Kerwin. Just close your terminal.
Do I close it? Do I really close our terminal?
Nah, you don't need to, bro. We gotta get that cake.
Kerwin, I already closed early.
My school, my school, 2 trades and that's it.
I was looking how many trades I took. Man, so far
655.
I already 11 trades.
Do you count every trade as a trade, bro? Because I added positions, you know, but I don't count them as separate trades.
I don't. I don't count sample trades. What was that?
No, like for example, like if you look at my terminal, yeah, it's like 7 trades maybe, but it's not 7 trades,
Holy.
but it's the same. It's the same. Like 2 trades. I took 2 trades, 2 sells, but I just added positions. You know, when I was in profits, I added positions to my winners.
Oh yeah, no, I mean, look, the thing is, I've been selling from somewhere here. I think
Yeah,
it was
sing that song, bro. Selling,
somewhere
selling.
here, somewhere here, then somewhere here, then another one. When this one right here was about to break this area, I had 2 positions more, and I'm like,
30 seconds.
every candle that is giving me pullback, I've been selling.
Everyone's gonna try to do it
Kevin,
now.
today I'm the best disciplined guy. Kevin, I have only 2 trades.
I only have. Oh yeah, you have only 2 trades.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
today.
there you go, there you go, there you go.
There you go, baby girl. There you go.
I don't believe that.
There you
I
go.
want, Kevin, I want to see the moves happening. Kevin,
1800, bro.
Remember,
1800. Let's go.
Reverse.
1803.
I
Mini
want
buy.
to see the move.
Mini buy here, mini.
Get it.
Buy.
It's low.
Let's go for 8 pips retracement, mini. Come on.
Kevin,
Buy. Huh?
I want to see sells happening in front of me, closing the terminal.
Bro.
Bing, bam, boom. There you have it. There you have it.
Boom,
Let me secure some here and let the rest run. Enjoy.
I'm gonna fall off my chair again, Carvin.
Enjoy
Remember
the
that
ride. Enjoy the ride. And yeah.
Crazy, bro.
And I'm really
crazy.
sorry, Luan, that we have to move from your chart to this, but this was something that we need to pay attention to.
No problem. I was in church.
4 hours, man.
And 1800 is about to get smacked.
1800.
Holy!
1803 was my target price. Secure, yeah. Boom. Let's go.
No, I need pullbacks, man. I need more pullbacks, brother.
I closed everything.
Beautiful, Nina. Beautiful, man. That's
I
very
closed everything, bro. Let's fucking go, man.
Clean traffic.
I closed full as well. Yeah.
4 hour.
Very nice, very nice. Nice job, guys. This week has been an amazing week.
John, I closed full, bro. No, not John. Alejandro. I closed full, bro. Yeah.
I need 100 and yeah.
Bro, that's a classic one, man. Retailers think it has to retrace.
Next week I don't want to hear 1700, 1790 again on the charts.
Not next week, today, bro.
It's gonna be today, most likely, yeah.
1790.
Look at these runners.
That was my target for the month.
That's why my hands were sweating. I wanted to hold those positions.
Hi, Kerwin.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Good, brother. How are you? I haven't taken any trade today, just so you know.
I was the first to come here anyway. I was listening to you.
Oh man, how you been, brother?
Not bad, not bad. Hello, family. How are you? Everyone is having a good Friday today.
Yeah, man. It's Friday.
Yeah.
Good, Gerard.
Yes, Mini. How are you?
Yeah, good, bro. It's blessing to hear your voice.
Oh man, you've been absent the last few days. Where were you?
Yeah, I was going for work, bro. I have been here for like hour.
Stop lying. You were in another group trading with somebody else. So say the truth.
With
you need to tell the truth.
With Iron Man.
No, he was with Iron Man. Yes, that's true.
Iron Man give us signals now.
If you don't take trades during London, you're not gonna have trades during New York, just so you know.
Kerwin, who says that, bro?
Iron Man, I think.
No, not Iron Man, bro. But don't chase, guys. That's really important.
Yeah,
crazy
especially for gold. If you didn't catch those trades during Asian and London, don't chase during NY. Don't do it.
We already smashed GJ, bro.
Yeah, we smashed GJ London. We smashed GJ London.
How many? 20, 15 pips?
Bro, no, he's joking. You know why he says that.
Kerwin, Eugene withdraw to 150K. 150K.
Cheers. It's Friday. We need to start earlier today. We did really good this week. One of the most amazing weeks we had.
And it was full of news. So that makes it even harder.
That's the best, bro, because we love volatility.
Yeah, I know, but usually you get the crazy moves. Also fake outs and shit. You can be trapped in a range. So many things can happen on news, but yeah, essentially it was a good week given the circumstances for sure.
You know,
Kerwin, congratulate Eugene. He withdrew 150K today.
Oh, beautiful. Eugene, congratulations, brother. Nice work.
Thanks. To be honest, I didn't want to post on the gram or anywhere, but Roger spoiled.
Beautiful.
Roger shared it.
Roger wants to sell those market fluidity intakes, bro. That's why.
Yeah, but when
you gotta do
people
it, bro. You gotta do it.
People DM me, say, "Oh, you in market fluidity?" I said, "No." Why Roger? I said, "Oh, I know Roger from back in the day. Like I follow him."
I'm sad. But I'm
But I'm with Kerwin.
You become chicken.
Join Kerwin, and people are like, "Send me link."
but Eugene become today chicken, bro. Chicken for Raja.
I'm Roger's bitch now. Sorry, bro.
Oh boy.
Afternoon, guys.
Hey, how are you,
sir? What's up, bro?
Nothing much, man. Just been listening in. I've taken one trade today.
Amazing,
break up
bro.
a 4 hour 1820. I'm still holding that. I'm wondering whether it will tap 1800 or not.
The hour from London, you mean? This
yeah,
one?
I've seen the opportunity. I didn't think I was going to come do the session, so I took
sorry, you should have sent me a signal, man. I'll be waking up in the middle of the night to trade with you.
I didn't want to wake you up, Kerwin.
No, but this it is good. It's good. Let's go back.
Zar is going to next level, bro, on day trader, swing trader mode.
Yeah, well, experimenting,
Zara's
gotta do it, bro. That should be the goal eventually.
So Zar, you took basically the same trade that Luan took.
Yeah, I was listening to him, and it's very simple. I got in at 18.20.08.
20.08.
Hey guys, I gotta go to work. You guys have a good weekend, all right?
Take care, Travis. Don't work too
Take
much,
care,
man.
bro. Take care.
We'll see you next week.
You tell your boss to chill.
Oh, I will.
Somewhere here, Zar. You took the entry based on the 15 or 5?
So, the bottom wick of the 4 hour candle, the previous 4 hour candle.
This one right here, yeah.
Yeah, so I took it from there. So I got in around 11 a.m. UK time.
And
it's still running. I'm thinking, should I close it now or just let it try to hit 1800?
Let it try that price. I mean,
take something off the table. And
bro, to be honest, like I don't want to scare you or anything, but 1803 was my target because of that's
trade move. No, this is a
you
replay
secured
card.
some, right?
I
was scared now, bro.
Oh, I got you. Gara thought that this is a kind of movie. Holy. Said, whoa. Oh my god.
You me, man. You got me.
Oh my god.
Gerard, you missed the move,
right?
Gerard, you missed the move.
Do you know something, Kadir? I've only secured 50%.
Okay,
that's good. I've just let it run because it's just profits on the week anyway.
Yeah, so, that's good. That's good.
So I've got my plus at 1810.
Oh my god.
Nice and wide.
Gara, you just made my morning, Gara.
That's good, bro. Yeah. Pretty much above the
beautiful
4 hour high. That's good, bro. Yeah, you're safe there.
That was a beautiful.
Because if it breaks that, it's done.
I'm trying to catch those Kerwin, double, triple digit moves.
It's worth it, man. It's worth it. It's an extra. At first, it's an extra stress, but it's worth it. The reward is there, man.
1800 coming.
Oh, I can. Can you send another chart, Luan, so we can go to the 1890? Because every time that I'm pulling your chart, the price is moving.
It was this one. I didn't enter before on the break. So I did enter when was the retest in the 5 minutes.
Okay.
I was thinking it was a cowboy entry because my stop would be around 1821.
Yeah, but I mean, as long you do the cowboy entries with in favor of the trend, you're Gucci, man. You're good to go. Now, don't do it against the trend.
Exactly. Yeah.
You know, sometimes we do cowboys entries counter trending the opening of a 4-hour candle, depending where prices. Look, now that we're talking about that specific situation, we'll talk why today didn't make sense to counter trend the 4-hour candle right here. This is the last 5 minutes of the 4-hour candle. Yes, that 5 minutes giving rejection, right? But it's trading with a long wick to the downside, and the next candle is not breaking that high. So if it's respecting that high, you don't have any business looking for upside, for a reversal, maybe going to this area, maybe going to this area. The next candle, the opening of the 4-hour candle is just printing new lows. Not a single candle is giving you a confirmation for buys, right? That's, I just remember that yesterday in this area, somewhere here, was what the shot? Somewhere here in this area. This candle? No, not this candle. I'm lying. It's far left. Has to be this one right here. This candle right here. This is a classic pullback liquidity, and this candle right here is the closing of the 4-hour. What happening with the new 4-hour candle coming in play? Pullback, break of this candle. At least you can give it a try to this area right here, but to make it worth it to the key level, it's different. It's a different scenario from today. Not the scenario from yesterday, basically, from that previous daily, was after this candle closed last night with the flash move to the downside. This candle giving you that support. This candle taking the breather. Now, do you really need to counter trend something that is heavy bearish currently? No, you don't need that.
Well, a lot of guys took that trade, Kerwin.
Yeah.
I just checked on Telegram. A lot of guys sent me that trade. We took down at 1814. 1813, 1814.
Beautiful.
KERWIN'S group is going to take over the world, and Telegram is going to take over market fluidity.
Yeah,
Kerwin,
I like that. Yeah, man.
like today, actually, I took 3 trades, and I took 3 trades, and all of them were win. And I know that like this 9 a.m. kind of 5 minutes after it made upper wick, it had to go down. But I already took 3 wins, and it was nice. And I didn't take that trade. So do you think like that? Being disciplined is better, or
It's important. It's important.
because I know that it's cake
it's important. Being disciplined is important.
Because even if we are taking money, it's money of 90% people who are losing, you should not take more than, you should not be greedy, because you should only take what you need, what's enough.
Yes, sir.
That's why that's why I miss this entry. I know it will go down because everything is aligned, even 4-hour, but I didn't take that trade because I already had 3 wins. I know if I had taken this trade, it would be win, but I didn't take it.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
That being
It's
said,
alert, Kerwin.
here's unusable.
Congrats, guys.
Oh,
Kerwin, I
don't take it
closed.
off me.
You close good decisions are because
Yeah,
1800
well-
can act like a bit like a strong area.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
got
exactly, yeah.
$24 of movement. So
Amazing, Za, bro. Congratulations, bro.
Call it a
Thank
day,
you, guys.
call it a week, call it a month.
Month.
It's been an amazing week.
All right.
From now,
120 pips today, Kerwin. Have a good day.
Kerwin,
everybody.
get a lemon, bro. Get a lemon, bro.
how many, Fadi? 20?
120 pips.
Oh, 120. Now we're talking about. Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
I'll see you guys on
100
Monday.
pips
Enjoy your
back to
weekend.
back.
Love you all.
Take care, Fadi. Enjoy, man.
Take care, guys.
Yeah, man. Blessings.
Hey,
Kerwin. Yeah, man.
Oh, sorry.
Go
Go
one
ahead,
by
bro.
one. Whoever's go first will pay $10 instead of 5.
I won't go first then.
Go ahead, Mo.
I was
Go ahead.
thinking- Hey, just quick question. How much in profit you make this week in percentage?
I'll have to
Like
pull the
30?
numbers, but I will have to pull the whole week. But I will say roughly the whole week has been pretty amazing. This Okay, let me pull up this number here. So I need to remember where I started this week.
Yeah, Kerwin, I gotta go.
Man,
I'm gonna have a time with the family. Rest of the family, KTF. Have a nice weekend.
Take care, brother. Enjoy. Have a nice weekend. Yeah, man. Blessings. All right, brother. All right. So I'll say, based on the numbers that I'm looking now, if I close all the positions that I have currently, I'll say my account has a smile, like the smile from this guy from Batman, like the Joker. Count is 27% for the week.
27%.
And I'm risking pretty small because I don't risk a lot, but that 27 is, you won't believe it. It's amazing.
I'm almost as good as you. I got 16.
27.
That's good, bro. That's good.
And I'm telling you, I'm risking small. I'm risking here and there, and I mean, even if I can make a 20% monthly, that's plenty, man. That's plenty. I don't ask for more than 20% monthly. That gives me the ability to hold my trades longer, to enjoy the ride, not putting stress on my trading. And man, amazing. It's been an amazing. Every time the price move a certain direction, I close 50%, and I let the rest run without, without having to worry about it. But based on the numbers, that's what I think I'm up, because I started with the, I just did the numbers now, and where I started for the monthly statement, I mean for the weekly statement, I started from there, it's roughly 27. Yeah.
Amazing. Great. Congrats.
Now, thank you, man. For example, next week, so for example, next week, I can take it off. I don't need to trade the next week, because overall the month has been amazing.
You made your month?
I made the goal for the month last week. No, this week, like on Tuesday. So since then it's been just amazing. But I didn't want to stress about it, like adding more risk. No, it's not worth it for me. I enjoy the ride, and that's pretty much it.
Kevin, so just a question on your videos, right? So is there any specific like videos where the entry that you take on during the volume time, right, is simulation is done there or something like that?
I think there's some of that information, but I don't remember which video specifically. There's 4 or 5 different webinars there, and man, each webinar is kind of 2, 3, and some of them 3 point something hours long. Okay. But at this point now, I don't remember which one is the one that can give you more information about it.
But bro, if you Kasim, right?
Yes.
Yeah, if you check out the sim sessions, we go through that, bro. Like which time you should be looking for a trade.